Good morning from Grandfather Farm. Today's Friday. It's almost 7:30 and it's like 71 degrees already. It's gonna be a hot one. I'll try to do a few things today. Probably mow the pasture grass. Right now I'm mowing at the highest level of this house. Get the grass tall. Get the moisture in there. There's some hot days coming up. It's going to be hot today and through the weekend and the next week. That's okay. Keep it tall, keep it watered, and should have this all good to go the time we start grazing, man. Alright, little piggy, this is not a swimming pool. Look what you did to that water dish. Penelope loves the water. Got all the animals watered. The pigs all have mud holes to play in now. I'll be feeding the pigs after I get done mowing here. Chickens are fed and they're happy. I get the water started over in the area I already mowed. It's about 91 degrees or so. Now he's got the right idea. Lay under the shade tree. Everybody has their hay, including the goats. Had to add more alfalfa and grass. Ate quite a bit this morning. Harold's looking for something better than that, huh? Poor pig. That's all I got for you right now, buddy. I'll be back a little bit later to check on them, make sure the water's still topped off. Because it's like 94 right now. It's supposed to be hotter. Well, I came down and checked the water and the animals are still good. And I moved the sprinkler. This is a great place to be here under the tree in the shade with the dog. It is 96 degrees right now. Kind of nice. It's about 95 degrees or so. And I'm checking on the water. The pigs, little ones, were low. So I give them an extra dish and give them a bigger mud hole. And plus, let them be under the running water, cool them off. So they're happy as a hot pig can be. Well, it's been a nice hot day. Mid 90s or so. I'm loving it. Anyway, down here, milking Bella. You see, I just grained the pigs. Checked the chickens one last time. This will be it for us today down here at the barn. Appreciate you watching. Have a great evening. Enjoy the summer. Sally wants to play with Brandy. Brandy just wants to butt Sally. Come on, Sally. This goes alone.